To keep up with ever-changing truck technology, technicians must continuously educate themselves. To help with this, we've compiled a list of resources into a centralized location called the JPro Resource Portal. To access this portal, you can go to Norgon's website or from the JPro Resource Portal button in the JPro menu. And because everyone thrives in different learning environments, we offer multiple ways for you to consume this information. As you land on the Resource Portal page, you'll notice there'll be a variety of training materials, including tech tips, JPro's training video series, training webinars, and the official JPro certification course, plus much more. In addition to training materials, support resources can also be accessed from the portal. So go ahead and bookmark this page for updates, drivers, support tickets, and much more.